Using Zillow Premier Agent enhances your visibility and helps generate leads. Here's a concise guide to get you started. Sign up. Visit the Zillow Premier Agent website. Sign up for an account or log in with your existing Zillow credentials. Choose a subscription plan that fits your budget and market area. Set up your profile. Complete your agent profile with a professional photo, contact information, and a detailed bio. Add your experience, specialties, and client testimonials to build credibility. Optimize listings. Ensure your listings are detailed and include high-quality photos, virtual tours, and comprehensive descriptions. Regularly update your listings to keep them current and attractive. Advertise your services. Your profile will appear next to property listings in your chosen zip codes, increasing visibility. Use Zillow's advertising tools to create targeted ads that reach potential buyers and sellers. Manage leads. Use the Zillow Premier Agent app to receive and manage leads in real time. Quickly respond to inquiries to engage potential clients effectively. Track interactions and follow up with leads through the app's CRM features. Leverage reviews and ratings. Encourage satisfied clients to leave positive reviews on your profile. Respond to reviews to show your commitment to customer service and build trust. Access training and support. Take advantage of Zillow's training resources, webinars, and support to maximize your Premier Agent benefits. Stay updated on best practices and new features to improve your performance.